Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here, I'm Brenna.
And I'm Bella.
So this coming Sunday is Mother's Day, so we thought that it would be a good idea if we did our makeup using our mom's makeup.
So we're going to do a full face of makeup using products that our moms use every day, and we're going to do our makeup like how they would do their makeup.
So if you want to see us do a full face of makeup using only our mom's makeup, then keep on watching. Also, excuse the sunburn. My face is a little red. Not really bad, just like right here.
It's all over your face.
Is
Stop
it really?
lying. My mom actually has nicer makeup than I do, so I don't really know like how that happened.
My mom is like obsessed with this makeup artist that does live Facebook videos every morning at like 7 o'clock, and my mom doesn't even like waking up early. But anyway, she watches these videos and she buys like all of the makeup products, so it's pretty much all I'm gonna be using today.
My mom has some bougie makeup in here, so let's see what she's got for primers.
Oh yeah, so my mom doesn't use a primer because her makeup artist creates a foundation that has primer, foundation, concealer, and setting spray all in one. So
Your mom's gonna kill us.
So
we love Brenna's mom.
yes, we do. It's just so funny how obsessed she is with this like makeup. It's so funny. So I'm gonna go in with this Jennifer Bradley foundation slash primer slash everything. It's even gonna do my eyebrows.
Okay, wait a second.
With this brush. My mom's makeup doesn't even come out bad. I don't know what this brush is though. What is this brush?
Okay, my mom has like 3 different primers happening here, so I don't really know. She's got this Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. Okay. But then she's got the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'm gonna go in with her Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. And I'm just gonna use my finger because she doesn't have like a beauty blender or anything. Sorry, Mom. And then she also has this Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, so I'm going to use that for the rest of my face.
This is actually going on really nice. I know I was just making fun of her, but it really is. I was making fun of her because I can.
I mean, her makeup always does look good, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't mean this as like bad makeup, I just think it's so funny.
Yeah. My mom really likes Becca, apparently. For foundation, she has the It Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Light.
This brush actually isn't doing a bad job, so.
I'm actually
That's
really
good.
surprised that my mom has Morphe brushes. You want to know something that's really sad? Is that my mom's brushes are cleaner than mine.
And mine.
So this is my mom's foundation brush, okay? And there's Brenna's.
There's mine.
Wow, Mom. I'm proud.
I actually like how this looks. Like, it applies really nice and smooth to the skin. And it looks really nice. But I don't like that I didn't use a primer because I'm so greasy that, like, I look so oily right here. Do you see that? I'm, like, shining. So now I'm gonna do concealer with the foundation. And this brush.
This actually looks really good, and I think this primer is just, like, really nice.
Okay, I do not like using this brush to blend out my concealer because it's so small.
I think that my mom uses her finger when she blends in her concealer, but she uses the Estee Lauder Double Wear concealer in light. My mom literally uses, like, really expensive makeup.
Oh, this brush hurts my face. I don't know how she uses this. I'm gonna have like crow's feet tomorrow when I wake up. Ow, it's like stabbing me. I'm just gonna use her foundation brush just to blend out the edges because that little brush is not doing it for me. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the powder she uses, and it's just another Jennifer Bradley powder with this brush. And she doesn't bake, so I'm just gonna put this all over my face.
For under my eyes, she has the Secret Brightening Powder from Laura Mercier.
Oh my god. I keep getting up my nose. It does not feel good.
This is like really bright. really brightening. I actually like this. To set the rest of my face, she has this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It feels wet. What is this stuff? Okay, it's literally wet. What the frick is this stuff? It literally goes like from like dry to wet.
Wait, really?
No, like I'm not being.
Can you do it on
Yeah.
me?
What is this stuff? It's
Whoa.
wet.
Oh my god, it is. It's wet.
What?
What the heck? Bella, what?
Oh my god. I hope she puts this all over her face.
How does that happen?
I don't know. Bless you.
Thanks.
This is the coolest
I
thing
need to
I've
get that
ever
too.
seen.
Wow, my face actually looks really good. And it feels really good. That powder was actually nice. I liked that.
Yeah, I feel like my makeup looks like really good right now.
Wow.
Who would have known?
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with bronzer, and my mom uses this Jennifer Bradley bronzer, and it's doesn't have a name.
Best bronzer.
Oh, best bronzer. It says it in big letters.
And my mom uses the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess.
And I don't even know what brush she uses. I think that this is the brush she uses, and I just use it for powder. But that's all
It's
she had.
fine.
Okay, so I'm just gonna bronze up my skin.
I'm assuming that she uses this Morphe brush. Look at the size of this pan though.
That's gigantic.
Like that's insane.
She doesn't do it dark either. She just has a little bit everywhere. Like right here, right there. Just a little bit.
But she uses this brush. Wow, this is really fluffy.
If it was me, I'd put a bunch of this on.
Yeah, I don't think she uses a lot of bronzer either. I know she uses
She
a
packs
lot
on
of
the blush. My mom does too. Oh my gosh. She gave me like 3 blushes. So now we're going to go in with blush. And my mom gave me these 2 Jennifer Bradley blushes. One of them is Raspberry Beret and the other one is Amber Sky. I guess I'll use them both because she really packs it on. So
Okay, well my mom uses this NARS blush palette. I'm gonna go in with probably this shade and this shade mixed together because I know she really likes that like pinky blush.
this is actually pretty.
Wow, this is really bright. Wow, I put way too much on. OMG.
Oh my
I look
god.
like a clown. Please help.
Okay, so I'm not going to go in with the second one because I don't want to. I just went in with the Raspberry Berry one.
I think that she just uses this, the highlighter that's in this palette here. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'm gonna use, she has this, I think this is like a Real Technique.
That's Real Techniques.
Real Techniques brush.
And my mom gave me there's 2 of them. These 2 Jennifer Bradley highlighters. One's Pink Champagne, and the other one is, I don't even know. But this is like also could be used as an eye shimmer, I guess. But she's using this really small eyeshadow brush. I know she uses them both, so I'll just put them both on. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What?
I can fix it. Oh, okay.
Does it blend out?
Yeah.
Okay.
That really scared me for a second. Holy crap. I like this eye shimmer thing for highlight. It actually
That is
is
really
like really pretty. It's really subtle, but I feel like that's like a good thing for
'cause
summer.
She was telling you to be careful because it's like
Yeah.
so thin, and
Yeah.
she wasn't kidding. Okay, so for brows, my mom uses the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit in shade 4, and then the 24-hour brow setter over that.
So my mom uses this L'Oreal Brow Stylist in Warm Brunette. And that random brush that it came with. She just started doing her eyebrows. She never used to do them. So she's been doing good. She's just really paranoid. Like sometimes she'll be like, look at my brows, and I'll have to tell her like, make them darker. Like she just like touches them because she's so afraid they're gonna look dark because she's not used to it. So she looks at them and she thinks they're too dark. They're so dark.
I think I went in a little too heavy.
Well, your mom has darker hair than you.
That's true. She does. Like her
her
hair's
hair's-
like black. No, it's really dark brown though. Never use this. Oh, it's like this brow gel.
And then she goes in with this Rimmel London Brow This Way. Just it's like a clear brow gel because she hates when her eyebrows stick up. I never use this stuff, so this
I don't
is
either.
gonna feel so weird. My mom gave me this Sephora black waterproof crayon eyeliner. She puts it on her lower lash line.
While she's doing that, I'm just gonna curl my lashes because that's what my mom does.
And then she drags it down a little bit. She doesn't just do it on the waterline. She brings it down a little bit.
You literally look like your mom right now.
For mascara, my mom uses this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base. So she uses the eyelash primer.
I actually have the black one of that, like mascara, and it's actually really good.
I think that's what she uses.
No.
Oh no, but she does have like the black one and
Mhm.
she uses it. I have it too. So I'm just gonna prime my, I've never primed my eyelashes before.
I used to.
This is something that I've never done.
I used to do that.
And she doesn't curl them either because she's afraid they're gonna fall out. You can see my eyelashes when I use it.
That's why you use it, because it like makes them longer. Look longer.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious. That's why I used to use
You don't need it.
I used to.
Oh, I might start just walking around like this.
It's a good look for you.
Hi guys.
You still can't see them.
Stop. What is this? Okay, so for mascara, my mom uses this little pencil. I don't even know what this is. Okay, and she packs this on too. Oh crap. Oh my god. Ew, I'm looking clumpy. Oh, it's clumpy. You can see
Wow.
What?
You can actually see that. I'm surprised that my mom didn't give me a lip product because
Yeah.
she's like obsessed. My mother, I have never met anyone else my whole life that has as many lip products as my mom.
I know, and I thought I was obsessed, but her mom has like bags and bags full of lip products.
She is addicted.
Actually don't hate the blush as much as I thought I was gonna. I mean, I don't love
Yeah,
it.
I'm kind of getting used to it. You look just like your mom. So, to set her face, my mom uses the Urban Decay Deslick.
And my mom does not use a setting spray because you can't forget her foundation just has it all. So I don't need setting spray because this is going to stay on all day.
This setting spray is for oil control. Okay, so these are our finished looks. We have transformed ourselves into our mothers.
Mm-hmm. This is how my mom wears her hair in 2 pigtails with these 2 strands down right here.
Yep. I tried to replicate my mom's thick bangs.
Mm-hmm.
If only she was a blonde.
Mm-hmm.
But we weirdly look alike.
Yeah.
I'm actually, like, pleasantly surprised at how our makeup came out.
Yeah,
Like,
me
I feel
too.
like it came out so nice.
It
Like,
did.
some of the products I want to use on myself every day
Mhm.
now. Like,
Yeah, and I didn't think I was gonna like some of the stuff I used, but I actually I'm impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Like I like the way it came out.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And stay tuned for our next videos to come.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, guys. Don't tell me you've eaten chapstick, friend. Take a nap. I'm tired.
Why are you laughing?
Because you. I sent it to Eric, so I did a thing. I can't be serious with you.
But doesn't she look just like her mom?
looks
Bella, don't.
You're really quick.
Ow, ow, ow.
Straight
Ow.
Back to our channel. Please
Ready?
don't ever do that when I'm in the room again. Okay.
Okay.
The dislick.
No,
Yeah.
you can't. You look like Tinkerbell.
Everyone deserves straight teeth. Me included.
Oh my
Yep.
gosh, she is a spitting image of me though, isn't she?
You gotta
My
get
mom-
bangs. You
my-
gotta get bangs.
I don't like you.
Okay, ready?
Sometimes I question why I like you.
Stop.
So,
I'm a star.
oh, my mom.
I have to is Roseberry Beret, and the other one. What? Okay.
What?
It's raspberry.
Do you
It
have
looks a
fake
lot more-
eyelashes on?
No.
I can't stand her.
I can't stand her
I
either.
freaking
Oh my god, this is scary. I can't look in the mirror.